from Turmeaus Chester, and today I'm trying out a bowl of Gareth and Hogarth's Bosun Cut Plug. This is part of the Gareth and Hogarth range, who are the UK's only remaining pipe tobacco manufacturer, or tobacco manufacturer in general, but mostly pipe tobaccos. So if you'd like to buy British, I definitely recommend giving them a try, as it is a shame that we've only got the one left. As a company, Gareth and Hogarth produce loads of different styles of tobacco. They do American style aromatics, they do your traditional English mixes, they do your plain tobaccos, but this is their own signature style, which is informally referred to as the Lakeland Flakes. The Lakeland Flakes characteristically are quite unique in that they're based mostly around a floral style aroma, with varying degrees of intensity on the floral casing and with generally a fairly woody base, and they really cut the whole spectrum from very light to very full. So I'm starting with Bosun, which is somewhere in the middle. As a tobacco itself, it contains more or less everything actually. It's made up of over 50% of it is Virginias, but from 3 different regions of Brazil, Malawi and Zimbabwe. There's some Indian sun-cured tobacco in there, some flue-cured tobacco, some cigar-like tobacco in there, and it's just a little bit of everything. So you've got quite a strong, woody, tangy base from the Virginias, you get tiny bits of smokiness from the flue-cured, and then there's also some nice sugary sweetness in there from some of the sun-cured, so really got a little bit of everything going on. On top of that, there is the aforementioned floral casing, although in this case it isn't too overwhelming, and they have gone for a clove, rose and geranium casing on this one. I'm not in the habit of eating flowers, so I can't say with 100% certainty how close to the actual taste these are, but it certainly gives it a nice floral edge. As I said before, this one ranks somewhere in the middle as far as the intensity of the casing, so I always like it as a good place to start, because it means you've got room to move in either direction if you buy more of them in the future. So this was actually one of the first few pipe tobaccos I ever bought. Certainly the first from this range that I tried, possibly my first flake as well. And I'm still on a pipe 10 years later and make YouTube videos where I talk about pipe tobacco. So it's certainly did well for me, and I think it is a really nice place to start. As well as the not overwhelming casing, it also means that you still get a good taste of the tobacco that's underneath as well, because it would be a shame if you couldn't really taste that, because there has been a lot of thought that goes into that. So I definitely recommend it as a place to start. Also, if you're somebody who wants to try aromatics but you don't like the idea of the more sugary, vanilla, caramel, that sort of style, you want something a bit different in your flavouring, certainly a good one to go for. And if you do want to try it, it's available as always at turmeaus.com. If you do try it, I hope you like it and let us know what you think. And if you like these videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in future. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Cheers!